We are at the threshold of a new era, one that promises to reshape our relationship with the cosmos in ways we are only beginning to imagine. Space is no longer the exclusive domain of astronauts and governments. Today, it is opening up to people from all walks of life, inspiring a new generation of dreamers, builders, and explorers. The new space economy is booming, driven by relentless innovation and a wave of ambitious companies making space accessible and relevant to our daily lives. From satellite internet to Earth observation, the impact is already being felt. Think of it as the early days of the internet. The potential is massive, and the transformation is just beginning. The technologies being developed today will shape how we live, work, and connect tomorrow. The United States leads this charge, blending private sector ingenuity with government support to create a thriving industry. This partnership is fueling rapid advancements and setting the pace for the rest of the world. Companies are building entire ecosystems in orbit, launching satellites, constructing infrastructure, and laying the groundwork for future industries that will operate beyond Earth. They are developing technologies that impact life on Earth, from climate monitoring to navigation, and even disaster response. This is not science fiction. It's a real economic revolution, creating jobs, fostering new industries, and opening new frontiers for business and discovery. What was once a government-only domain is now a vibrant marketplace of startups and aerospace giants, each competing and collaborating to push the boundaries of what's possible. The barriers to entry are falling, inviting more players and accelerating progress. Universities, small businesses, and even individuals are finding their place in this new ecosystem. We're witnessing the creation of a commercial highway to space, built launch by launch, connecting Earth to the stars in ways never before possible. This era is about sustainability, establishing a permanent human and robotic presence in space, ensuring that our reach extends far beyond our home planet. Activities range from scientific research and global communications to national security, resource exploration, and even space tourism for ordinary people. The dream of living and working in space is becoming a reality, driven by commercial viability and the shared vision of humanity's future beyond Earth. The new space age is about economic expansion, global opportunity, and a spirit of adventure, and it's only just beginning. The story of space is no longer just exploration, it's the next great economic frontier, and we are all part of this unfolding journey. At the center of this revolution is SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, a visionary entrepreneur whose ambitions stretch far beyond Earth. Musk's relentless drive and bold ideas have propelled SpaceX to the forefront of the new space age, inspiring a generation to look up and dream bigger. SpaceX is a company that has redefined what's possible in space, shattering old assumptions and setting new standards for innovation and achievement. Today, SpaceX launches more rockets than the rest of the world combined, a feat made possible by its revolutionary reusable rocket technology that dramatically slashes costs and increases launch frequency. Each Falcon 9 landing isn't just a spectacle, it's a demonstration of economic advantage, proving that spaceflight can be both sustainable and profitable. Beyond launches, SpaceX is building Starlink, a vast satellite network delivering high-speed internet worldwide, transforming lives in underserved and remote areas where connectivity was once a distant dream. Starlink could become a massive revenue stream, with some analysts predicting it may outpace even Tesla in value, potentially reshaping the global communications landscape. SpaceX is also a key partner for NASA and the Pentagon, launching national security satellites, ferrying astronauts to the ISS, and supporting critical missions that safeguard our future in space. Investors have long awaited a SpaceX IPO, and now, Elon Musk hints it could happen as soon as 2026, fueling speculation and excitement across global markets. This news has electrified the investment world, with analysts and everyday investors alike eager for a chance to own a stake in the company shaping humanity's future. A SpaceX IPO would be a landmark event, drawing unprecedented attention and capital to the space sector, and potentially changing the way we invest in the cosmos. It could trigger a new wave of investment and innovation across the industry, inspiring startups and established players to reach for new heights. For many, owning a piece of SpaceX is the opportunity of a lifetime, a chance to be part of a story that's still being written. The countdown to the biggest IPO in space history may have already begun, and anticipation is building with every passing day. SpaceX is not just building rockets, it's building our multi-planetary future and inviting the world to join in this extraordinary journey. While waiting for a SpaceX IPO, savvy investors are turning to a smart strategy, investing in proxy companies that are already public and active in the space sector. These are public companies poised to benefit from SpaceX's success and the broader space economy, often riding the same wave of innovation and demand. By investing in these picks and shovels of the space age, you can participate in the revolution now, without waiting for SpaceX to go public. These companies aren't trying to outdo SpaceX. They're essential partners, suppliers, and specialists within the ecosystem, making launches and missions possible. It's like the gold rush. You don't have to dig for gold if you own the company selling the tools, and in this case, the tools are cutting-edge technology. This approach diversifies your investment across satellite components, launch services, and specialized missions, spreading risk and increasing opportunity. As SpaceX builds the highways to space, these companies provide the vehicles, infrastructure, and critical support that make the journey possible. Next, we'll explore three standout proxy companies: Rocket Lab, AST Space Mobile, and Firefly Aerospace, each with a unique role in the new space race. Each offers a unique way to invest in the expanding space economy, giving you a front-row seat to the future of exploration and innovation. Rocket Lab has evolved from a small satellite launcher to a full-stack space infrastructure company. They now design, build, and operate satellites and spacecraft, offering end-to-end solutions. Their space systems division supplies critical hardware and software for a range of missions, growing faster and more profitably than their launch business. Rocket Lab's upcoming Neutron rocket will be reusable and capable of heavier payloads, opening doors to larger contracts. Innovations like the Hungry Hippo reusable fairing system help lower costs and boost launch frequency. Financially, Rocket Lab is surging, with rapid revenue growth and strong margins. They have the cash to fund their ambitious roadmap, including Neutron's development. With a growing backlog from commercial and government clients, Rocket Lab is now a diversified space tech powerhouse. They're perfectly positioned to thrive in the new space economy. AST Space Mobile aims to connect any smartphone, anywhere, directly to satellites, eliminating dead zones for good. Their massive satellites act as cell towers in space, requiring no special hardware for users. Backed by telecom giants like AT&T, Verizon, and Vodafone, AST has a built-in customer base and strong industry support. Successful tests have proven their technology works with standard smartphones. The next step, launching their Bluebird satellites with initial service expected by 2026. With over $3 billion in liquidity and critical spectrum rights secured, AST is well-positioned for global rollout. While challenges remain, their unique tech and powerful partnerships make them a high-potential play in global communications. AST SpaceMobile is redefining connectivity for the entire planet. The future of always-on, global mobile service is closer than ever. Firefly Aerospace is focused on the moon, carving out a niche in deep space missions. Their Alpha rocket, Elytra vehicle, and Blue Ghost lunar lander make them an end-to-end mission provider. Firefly made history with the first successful commercial moon landing, proving private companies can reach other worlds. This success has made them a trusted NASA partner for lunar logistics. As Artemis ramps up, Firefly is positioned to deliver cargo and science to the lunar surface. Their strategy isn't to compete with SpaceX, but to specialize in complex lunar missions. With recent milestones and leadership hires, Firefly is gaining momentum. For risk-tolerant investors, Firefly offers a direct stake in humanity's return to the moon. Investing in space is thrilling, but it comes with real risks. Space is hard, launches can fail, timelines slip, and companies burn through cash before turning profits. Yet, the rewards can be enormous. The space economy could top $1 trillion in coming decades. Early investors in successful companies could see life-changing returns. These are long-term bets. Patience and vision are essential. Key risks include technology failures, cost overruns, and fierce competition. Look for companies with unique tech, strong contracts, or strategic partnerships. Diversification is crucial. Spread your investments across several players to manage risk. Only allocate a portion of your portfolio to these high-risk, high-reward stocks. With a measured approach, you can capture the upside of the new space economy while managing its risks. Space technologies are about to transform everyday life, sooner than you think. Global connectivity will be the first big change, closing the digital divide and enabling new opportunities worldwide. Satellite internet and direct-to-device services will provide resilient communications, even during disasters. The space boom will create new jobs and industries, from orbital mechanics to lunar construction. Earth observation satellites will revolutionize agriculture, climate monitoring, and resource management. The moon is becoming accessible for science, commerce, and eventually, settlement. Innovations developed for space will drive breakthroughs in sustainability and technology on Earth. This expansion is about more than tech. It's about human exploration and inspiration. By pushing boundaries, we inspire the next generation of dreamers and doers. The future of space is being built now, launch by launch. You don't need to be a billionaire to join this historic moment. By learning and investing wisely, you help fuel the space revolution. Every investor becomes a stakeholder in humanity's journey to the stars. Rocket Lab, AST SpaceMobile, and Firefly Aerospace are just a few of many opportunities. Each company represents a unique path in the growing space economy. The upcoming SpaceX IPO will shine a spotlight on the entire sector. This is your chance to get in early and invest in the industry shaping the 21st century. It's more than a financial opportunity. It's a chance to be part of a grand adventure. The new space age is here, and your journey starts now. The final frontier is open for business. Are you ready to take your place?